In this video, we will do a YouTube live session using OBS software step by step. Okay, let's start, guys. Here we are on my YouTube channel, and I won't use this channel for the streaming. Let me use a channel with less people, so for the demonstration. So here we are. Let me see my channel. Go to your YouTube channel right now, and when you are here, you click on your picture here on the top right hand side and click on Creator Studio. Okay. Excellent, it's opening, and here we have the Creator Studio menu on the left, and now we go to live streaming, and you see stream now. Click on stream now, or it's already clicked for you. So here we have the streaming. Here we will see the live streaming session when we go live. Before that, it's important for you to complete all these boxes. This will be the title. Let's see here, test YouTube live with OBS for digital marketing course. And here at the bottom, you can enter more information, the description and all that you already know if you are using YouTube. The categories, if you want to be public, unlisted, or private. Let me go private on this case. Of course, for you, need to be public, so everybody in your audience can see this and follow you on this specific YouTube live session. Also, you see that the thumbnail right now is my thumbnail, is the one that I use for the banner of my YouTube channel. You can change this at any time by clicking on change thumbnail. So you click here and you can basically upload another image from your computer if you want. I will leave it like this. I like how this looks like. And now we are ready. All we need to do now is get this server URL information and the stream key for OBS, and after that we are ready. So let's go to OBS right now. Here I am, and go to settings. Remember the same steps we did on the last video to do it for Facebook. Now we go to stream, select streaming services. On service, you select YouTube. Here on the server, don't worry about that. You can leave the YouTube primary server. And the stream key, we delete and we enter your new stream key, which is here. Let's see. Here we have the stream key. Let me copy that and go now here and paste. So we go here and copy the stream key, and on OBS we paste that key. Okay, click on OK when you are ready. And now if we click different from Facebook, remember on Facebook, when we have the key here ready, we configure the streaming key and all that. We start the streaming, and after that we go usually to the Facebook page and wait to see your image there. When you see your image, remember that you click on the blue button say go live. On YouTube is different. On YouTube there is no go live now button. So basically when we click on start streaming here on OBS, this is important. When you click on start streaming here on OBS, you will be live on YouTube. Okay, so if you are doing a YouTube live, remember that. On Facebook, we click start streaming. We are not live yet. We go to Facebook and we need to click on the Facebook website, go live. Here on YouTube, different. When we click start streaming and clicking now, we are streaming right now. So let's wait for a few seconds and it will show here. You see here starting at the top, starting is green. So if you are seeing green things here, all is good. Okay, let me mute my computer. Here we are live on YouTube right now. You see the quality is great, looks great. I am not sure if it's showing that right now on your video, this resolution, but on my computer here, I see that this resolution is great. Also here on this page, we have the how long is your streaming currently, how many people are watching right now live on your session, and you have some statistics about the analytics. You have the link in order to share with your audience so they can share your stream. You have the live chat here. This is important if you are doing Q&A. You can come here and read the questions of your followers and answer right now here on your Facebook Live. Let's do some transitions. Let's go to studio mode to get more fancy things here and go to monitor. Let's see the monitor transition, and you will see here that it will show in a few seconds the monitor. Let's wait. It takes a few seconds to get live on YouTube. one person is watching. Hey, if you are watching this live right now, thank you for being here. This is actually a test demonstration that I am doing right now for my digital marketing course that will be live on August probably. Okay, excellent guys, that's it. Let's go back here to an image, another transition. Let's see let's wait for the transition here. It's almost happening. Here we are, and let's wait for that. It's coming. One person is still watching this. This is great. See the transition, excellent. And we are live here. This is great. I hope you like this system. I hope you like OBS and all the tools that OBS provide to us, okay? And that's the process to create a YouTube live session using OBS. Remember that at the end, you need to click on stop streaming in order to stop your live streaming here, okay? Right now, because this was selected as a private video, if I go to my video manager here, you will see the video, but it won't be, it's not available yet, but it won't be available for all your audience. You see that this one is public, but the new one, because it's private, only you can see that. Nobody else can see it after the live session. During the live session, yes, your audience can see that, but after the live session, only you will be able to see that video, okay? If you want to share that with your audience, all you need to do is just change the privacy. Click on the public here, and in this case will be private, and you come here and select from private to public, save the changes, and that's all you need to do. After that, everybody on your audience, all your subscribers on YouTube will be able to see that video. In the next video, we will talk about, finally, we will talk about simultaneous streaming. We are doing simultaneous streaming to Facebook, YouTube, and Periscope. See you there.